Bow window installation. Lexington is a popular choice for homeowners looking to enhance their home's curb appeal and functionality. With a variety of bow window styles Lexington SC offers, you can find the perfect match for your home's architecture. Bow window contractors. Lexington SC are skilled in providing top-notch bow window services, ensuring a seamless installation process. Custom bow windows Lexington are designed to fit your specific needs and preferences. These windows offer unique bow window dimensions that can be tailored to your home's design. Bow window experts. Lexington can guide you through the selection process, helping you choose the best bow window materials. Lexington SC for durability and aesthetics. Energy-efficient bow windows. Lexington are an excellent investment for those looking to reduce energy costs. These windows are designed to keep your home comfortable year-round, making them a smart choice for any homeowner. Bow window solutions. Lexington focus on providing energy-efficient options that meet your needs. Bow window replacement. Lexington SC is essential for maintaining the integrity and appearance of your home. Over time, windows can become worn and less effective, making bow window upgrades Lexington SC a necessary step. Bow window repair. Lexington SC services can address any issues, ensuring your windows remain in top condition. Bow windows Lexington design offers a range of options to suit any taste. From traditional to modern bow window aesthetics, Lexington can enhance the look of your home. Bow window trends. Lexington SC continue to evolve, providing homeowners with the latest in design and functionality. Bow window cost. Lexington can vary depending on the materials and features you choose. Bow window quotes. Lexington SC provide a detailed breakdown of expenses, helping you budget for your project. Bow window consultations. Lexington offer personalized advice to ensure you make the best decision for your home. Bow window maintenance. Lexington is crucial for preserving the longevity and appearance of your windows. Regular upkeep can prevent costly repairs and extend the life of your windows. Bow windows Lexington experts provide guidance on maintaining your windows effectively. Bow window options. Lexington include a variety of features to enhance your home's comfort and style. From energy-efficient designs to custom finishes, bow window features Lexington SC cater to diverse preferences. Bow window enhancements. Lexington SC can transform your living space, adding value and appeal. Bow windows. Lexington benefits are numerous, offering increased natural light, improved ventilation, and enhanced views. These windows create a sense of space and openness, making any room feel larger and more inviting. Bow window solutions. Lexington focus on maximizing these benefits for homeowners.